they're the ones who actually where this approach and things like black cohosh are going to work. So the reason why HRT is often not working, because I get women I'm doing everything that Davina said, and Davina McCall's program, they're very into the Utrogestan and the estradiol pump. And women come and go, I'm doing that, and I've read your blog and I'm doing it. And I, okay, come on, have a look. Then you find out that they are intolerant to soy or peanut oil. If they're xenoestrogen overloaded, so we become xenoestrogen overloaded from unfiltered tap water because everybody's on the pill, however many millions of people, and they're weeing it out, or HRT, and they're weeing it out into our water supply, and it doesn't actually get taken out in the processing. So we end up with this estrogenic overload in our body. That also comes from the outgassing from toxic chemicals from carpets, from flat pack furniture, although footnote, IKEA did get rid of all the parabens that caused that. Well, it's around 2015, wasn't it? From cleaning products, from pesticides, from toiletries. Like, there's a big thing, we talk about it a lot, because one woman in one day can actually be exposed to over 500 chemicals once she's actually done her beauty regime and cleaned the house. Synthetic progestins will also be really messing up your body. Incorrect diet, so it will massively affect your gut microbiome. You will not be able to absorb your HRT. Your liver will be going into overwhelm. An impaired metabolism, poor digestion, as we said, and high stress. These are all reasons why your HRT won't work. So what do we do about it? We detox the gut, we detox the liver, we get on a hormone balancing diet, we eliminate food intolerances. We could not bang on about that enough. We reduce stress. And you know, one of my favorite things, having worked with many people who have been diagnosed with a terminal condition, is they say, it is amazing what I don't care about that I thought was so important pre-diagnosis. And that is an analogy I give to my clients all the time, because we can get so caught up in the glorification of being busy. Actually, if we take our ego away from being needed, being wanted, being validated, our guilt, our sense of duty, if we take all of that away, what can we let go of? Because the picture, if we don't, isn't good.